Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying deadlines with a non-contact tester. This prevents shock and lets you work quickly. Once the power is confirmed off, remove the cover and unscrew the bulb and sensor housing to expose connections. Make sure to note wire colors and loosen screws gently so you can test continuity. You want to identify whether the issue is the bulb, sensor, or wiring before replacing parts, because that directs the next, more involved steps. You now test the bulb first. Swap with a known good bulb and test socket continuity. Replacing the bulb is the quickest fix if it lights. If the bulb is fine, measure voltage at the fixture with the breaker on. You should see line voltage, otherwise trace the circuit back to the switch or breaker. Next, open the sensor housing, clean the PIR lens and reseat connectors, then adjust sensitivity and time settings. This often restores proper motion detection without full sensor replacement. You proceed to replace any faulty module by matching specs and swapping the old sensor for the new one, making note of wiring orientation. Once installed, tighten all screws and secure wire nuts. Apply a small bead of outdoor silicone to joints to prevent moisture intrusion. After reassembly, restore power and test at different distances and lighting conditions to confirm range and dusk-to-dawn behavior. If it still fails, check for intermittent voltage, water damage, or call a licensed electrician as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.